Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. An earthquake of 2.5 magnitude felt in Argentina. Depth of this earthquake is 70 km and it's felt on Wednesday, March 16, 2022. Local time is 12:28 am. Nearby towns and cities: 22 km north of San Martin, 23 km north of Alberdan, and 28 km north of Chimbas. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: clear sky, 20 degrees centigrade, humidity is 29% and wind is 0 meter per second from northwest. Estimated release energy from this quake is 98.6 kilowatt-hours. This data is recorded from INPRES. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thank you.